Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be creating a soft glam holiday makeup look. To start, I'm priming with the MAC Natural Radiance base. Next, I'm beginning on my brows with the Benefit Cosmetics Goof Proof Brow Pencil in 4.5. I'm just following the natural shape of my brows by drawing in the lower and upper edges, filling them in a bit towards the tail end, and brushing them out with a spoolie before cleaning them up. I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Concealer to clean up the top edge and the Plouise base in 0.5 for the bottom edge.
First time in so long you felt the heat evaporating your bindings. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the air.
Once I like the shape of my brows, I'm setting them in place with the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. Next, I'm tapping the Plouise base onto my eyelid in preparation for my eyeshadow. I'm using the Ardell Pro Eyeshadow Palette today, which has both metallic and matte shades. First, I'm dipping into this tan shade and sweeping it into my crease and outer V using the Sigma E35 brush. I'm keeping this shade very soft. Next, I'm mixing these two golden metallic shades and popping them onto my eyelid beneath my crease. I'm now packing on a little bit of this pale champagne shade and applying it to the center of the lid. I'm wiping away the fallout that I had from the metallic shades, and then I'm applying the Ardell Headliner Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. I'm using this to create a very thin, small wing.
Sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the sun.
Next, I'm blending the winged eyeliner by taking this deep burgundy shade from the palette on the Sigma E65 brush and placing it along the edge of the liner.
Move like the radiate.
Once I've blended out the winged eyeliner and I'm happy with the gradient, I'm cleaning up the outer edge of the wing with some concealer. Now it's time for face makeup. I'm first applying the Benefit Porefessional Primer, which is the best pore filling primer I've tried, and then I'm testing out a new foundation. The Clove and Hallow Liquid Skin Tint is a lightweight, cruelty-free, and vegan formula with a demi-matte finish. I first applied shade 1, which was too light, so then I went ahead and applied shade 3, mixing the two to create the perfect match for me.
The night has come, it's cold and losing my control.
Now I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Concealer in C1, which is my favorite concealer at the moment.
Save me.
After pouncing that in with a damp Real Technique sponge, I'm setting my face with the Hourglass Veil Powder on a damp Morphe sponge. For contour and bronzer, I'm using the Benefit Hoola and applying this to the hollows of my cheeks, my jawline, and forehead.
We got no relation.
Next, I'm highlighting with the Benefit Cookie Highlighter and applying this to the highest points of my face, as well as the inner corner of my eyes and my brow bone. Then sweeping that same E35 brush from earlier across the brow bone area to make sure it's blended. Next, I'm applying the Benefit Dandelion blush to the apples of my cheeks and bringing it up towards my hairline as well. Now to melt the powders away and set everything in place, I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. For my lower lash line, I'm applying the same tan shade I used previously. I'm then curling my lashes, applying the Bad Gal Bang Mascara by Benefit, and popping on these new Naked Lashes by Ardell in the style 422.
It's cold and losing my control. Your light is gone. Alone the darkness fill my soul.
Next, I'm tightlining with the No Intense Look eye pencil to help my real lashes blend in with the false ones, and then I'm applying the automatic highlighter pencil to my waterline to make my eyes appear larger and more awake. After that, I'm adding some mascara to my lower lashes. Finally, for lips, I'm applying the Clove and Hallow Lip Velvet in the shade Sangria, which is a very comfortable, budge-proof lippy that lasts all day, even through all-you-can-eat sushi. And that completes this soft glam holiday makeup look. Let me know what's on your wish list this year in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!